Good morning. Happy December 1st. I'm going to be opening 5 advent calendars every day until Christmas. So the first one is Dallmann chocolate. My husband ordered this for me online. This is a Nightmare Before Christmas pop-up calendar I got at Sam's Club. This is a cat tree calendar I got at a local pet store. This is a stolen cake advent calendar. This is from World Market. And then just like classic chocolates, this is also from World Market. These are all new calendars this year, so I'm quite excited to try something different. We're gonna go with the specialty chocolate first. This was the most expensive out of them all. Honey, I'm not getting to your box yet. Your box is last, so you're gonna have to get down or just not eat my chocolate. Okay, you can stay there, just don't eat my chocolate. Where is box one? This is another one where they're not in order. Here we go. Gingerbread. Look at that. See, these are specialty chocolates. Does it not look delicious? Oh my God. That one was good. See if I can tell you the flavor. That one was hazelnut praline. Yeah, very, very good. Sorry, honey, no chocolate for you. This is Rohan chocolates. This might be a little difficult. One-handed is very hard, but let's see. One door is on this side. Oh, come on. I needed to grab some scissors for help. Oh, that's very nice. It's not gonna come out. Come on, come out. There we go. Oh, it's like an ornament. All right, I'm not gonna eat this yet. That's just too pretty. Is that not very pretty? Look at that. You know what? I am gonna eat it. I haven't had breakfast yet, so why not? So it's like a hollow chocolate ball. Is there something in there? Nope. It's just hollow chocolate. It's not bad. It's not the worst chocolate I've ever had. It definitely does not compare to that at all, but that's fine. I think this was the cheapest calendar. I think this one was like $11. I just got it because I thought the house was adorable. All right, now we're gonna do the stolen calendar. I know I'm gonna annoy people with my food eating sounds. Sorry, not sorry. I am taste testing. Oh, what is that one? Like an apple? All right, let me get this open. Come on. Could you leave my water bottle alone? Is that too much to ask? Oh my God. It has a filling. This is really, really good. Since Honey was a good girl, I'm gonna give her today's treat. Let's see if I can get it open. Oh wow. What the heck? I'm gonna make this easy. How do I get this open? What the heck? This makes no sense. All right, I just peeled, but here, let me peel back the plastic. See, can you get in there and eat that? Can you eat that, honey? Can you eat that? It's just one big tray, so it doesn't even pop out. I'm like, I don't really think this is the best design, but she's eating it. Is that good? I was hoping it was like little baggies of treats. Nope. Well, she likes it. All right, this is the last one, and I think this is gonna be the most complicated one, especially, don't do it. Don't do it, especially if these cats are gonna be bugging me. I'm serious, Sage. Don't do it. And you can hear kittens playing in the background. It's their afternoon play session. I'm serious. I see that look. Don't do it. Look at that. So I think the intention is like every day has a little ornament to hang on this tree. I'm gonna leave the ornaments in the days and then decorate it the last day because I can't leave this popped up. My cats will destroy it in no time. So let's just see what today's ornament is. Can I get my fingernail under there? I'm gonna have to pull out the scissors. What did I do with them? I'm trying not to damage. Okay. See what I have to deal with? They think this tint is a playpen and it's not, but that's fine. Or a jungle gym. They kind of like a jungle gym. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, this is so much better than I expected. This is nice, heavy cardstock. And then you just hang it right there. Oh my God, I love this.